Welcome back to Golden Styles, everyone, and today I will be doing a really short video of a home remedy for a very mild cough. Alright, so what we're going to do is bring the water to a boil. Okay, now I'm going to add oregano and 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so now I'm going to let this boil for like 1 minute because this isn't really boiling up too much right now. So I'm just going to let it boil for like 1 minute, and then I'm going to turn off the stove and add the other ingredients for a dry cough, a tea for dry cough, pardon me. Okay? Okay, so I let it boil for about 1 minute, and I've transferred it to this measuring cup. Okay, and that's where it's at right there. Okay, so now I'm going to add some ginger. Now, of course, it's best to use the actual ginger itself, and the small ginger is better than the small organic ones is better than, you know, those big huge ones you see in the grocery store. And you know, it seems like there's nothing in them when you use those big huge ones. So try, if you can, get the small ginger, the organic one. If not, you can do it the lazy way like me and just grab yourself a packet of your choice. Okay, creamed honey. Now I'm only putting about 1 teaspoon of honey. You can add a little bit more if you like. And now I'm going to empty the ginger powder. And there you have it, a homemade remedy for a cough. Okay, now if your cough is becoming more severe or it's persistent, it doesn't seem to be getting any better, then of course you need to go see your doctor. Okay, just a disclaimer, I am not a doctor and I am not diagnosing or treating any illness. Okay, this is educational purpose only. So go ahead and give it a try. If you can't tolerate honey, then by all means omit it and try something else. Okay, thank you for tuning in.